Let me start by telling you something that might surprise you. You're feeling overwhelmed not because your life is too much. It's actually because your nervous system is overstimulated and your mind is frantic about trying to solve every problem you have at once. Believe me, I can relate to you. The good news though, this is something we can fix. In this 10 minutes, I'm not promising to change your life, just change your nervous system. I'm Koettig, internationally certified yoga therapist and yoga teacher, and I've been spending the last 2 decades helping men, women, and children achieve the ultimate goal of yoga, which is genuinely loving the life that you live. Let's reset your system. Find your way into a comfortable meditative position, whether that's seated in a chair or lying down. As always, the position isn't as important as your ability to be relaxed in the physical body and alert through your mind. Let your hands rest whatever feels most natural to you, and start. And before you do anything, just notice. Just notice. Where does this overwhelm show up in your body? In your chest? Buzzing in your head? Is there a tightness in your jaw? You don't need to fix or change anything, just observe it just as a starting out point. And now slowly inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale all the way out. All right. Now slowly inhale through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top. Open up your mouth and exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, just like that. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale out the mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's gonna change a little bit here. Stay with me. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Few rounds like this. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Long exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly let your breath settle into a natural cadence. And let your awareness now shift to how you register the moment. So instead of I am overwhelmed, see if you can shift how you perceive yourself to be in this moment to there is overwhelm here. So start to feel into that difference of I am overwhelmed to there is overwhelm here. And see if you can pull your energy more towards the identification that there is overwhelm present. And start to sit back so that there's a little space between the one who is watching and the overwhelm that is present. When you identify with the overwhelm, it is your identity, but when you watch it, the overwhelm becomes an experience. Rest into your witnessing consciousness like it is the ocean of existence itself. Letting waves rise and fall. Waves rise and fall, yet you remain present and complete as the ocean. And as you remain this ocean of awareness, notice that all the problems your mind is trying to solve, let them be here just as waves in the ocean. Continue to rest back as the ocean rather than identify with the waves. Problems may rise, emails that have to be written, conversations that have to be had, responsibilities to take care of. These are all waves as you rising and falling in the ocean of your existence. Spend a few moments here just breathing and being, holding and witnessing the waves that rise and fall, yet you remain unaffected by it all. Truly savoring this experience of being whole and complete, unaffected by the turbulence or drama of the waves. Form an intention for the rest of your day? How can you move throughout your day remembering the ocean of existence in which you are? Perhaps it's one word like calm, steady, capable, complete. Whatever arises, trust it to be right for you. You can either move through life through the chaos of the waves, of the problems in your mind, or you can move through life from the calm of your consciousness, of your awareness. The choice is yours. It all comes down to, who do you perceive yourself to be? The overwhelm, or the one who is watching? The dramatic waves, or the serene, calm ocean? The choice is yours. And this shift in your identity makes a tremendous impact on the state of your nervous system. Take a final deep breath in. Open mouth, exhale. And just remember, overwhelm is a sign not that your life is too big, but that your mind is carrying too much. It has identified itself with the problems at hand, with the tasks that need to be done, with the dramatic waves of life. At any time, pull yourself back and reside in the one who is always watching. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. I truly hope that this was helpful for you in some way. Please comment below how this meditation impacted you, and if you have any thoughts, feedback, or requests, send them my way. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, much love, big hugs, and namaste.